Hey, welcome to Viking Preparedness. I am Pastor Joe Fox. Do you like collecting stuff? Clearly, I've got a thing for hatchets and axes. Over there on yon wall, I have a bunch of tomahawks and war battle axes. Yeah, I like to collect stuff. And come on, you know I like flashlights, right? I was recently offered the opportunity to show y'all, present to you all, a chance to get a heck of a deal on some flashlights. 42% off bundle packages where you get stuff free. And so I'm going to do that. I know that you really love it when I do flashlight videos. Yes! More to see! Hey, I also know it's the time of year when you buy people presents. I'm going to show you some stuff that makes cool presents. And some of you, maybe you're lonely, so you want to buy yourself a present. First thing I'm going to show you, I've already showed you this. I'm going to show you how to get this for free. This is the 13UV flashlight, and it's really small. Again, I showed it to you before. It's really bright, and I'm going to build an Altoid survival kit around it. I said that. I just haven't gotten around to doing that yet. This is a cool little light, though. You know, it fits on a keychain if you want to do that, that kind of thing. It takes a regular battery. But here's the deal that I just found out. You can, you know those TV shows where they go into the really seedy hotels and they turn on the black light and they look at all the stains and stuff? Evidently, this UV light does the same things. So you can go and check out your hotel room ahead of time. Don't know if you really want to do that, because then how are you going to sleep? But you can do that. It does light up spider eyes and things like that at night. So it's a pretty cool little light. I mean, it's cool in and of itself. I think it normally retails for around 15 bucks. I'm going to show you how you get it for free. All right. The main deal. For tomorrow only, which means 31 October, midnight tonight, the 30th going into the 31st until midnight, Eastern Daylight Time. It's only a 24-hour sale. At these prices, we can't offer it forever. But really, that's what it is. They are offering the M2R Pro flashlight. I'm going to open it up and tell you about it a little bit. But man, I think this makes a good gift. I really do. First of all, and I'm just going to take it from the top end. Somebody opens this delightful gift that you got them, and then I'm going to blow your mind when I tell you how much you can get it for at the end. But what I like about their boxes, they're solid, man. And they have this magnet. See that? I know, I'm easily amused. But you open that up, and then this is what you see. And it's basically the instructions to take out the safety. I don't have fingernails that work today, but it's okay because America. Take out the safety strip so the battery works. So this little plastic card comes out, and then you are presented with this. And you're like, oh, what is that? I'm so excited. What did you get me, Uncle Bob, Aunt Sally? You know, whatever. I'm going to show you what that is in a minute. So it has a really cool case. Again, Molly webbing on the back. Right here. Like that. And also a little lanyard holder right there. The button is right here. Boop. Open it up. And this is what you get. I know you want to see it. Boom. The M2R Pro. A fistful of fire. This thing is so bright. It's 1800 lumens bright. It throws a throw out there 300 yards. It has multiple modes like all of their flashlights. You know, you can go from super low, which will last, I think, almost 2 months on the moonlight mode, all the way up to, let's see, see how it's cycling through there? All the way up to super bright, you know, and the candle that burns twice as bright burns half as long. This is their Camouflage model. Isn't that sweet? It comes with this clip that you can either clip on your pocket. I showed you before, you can clip it on your hat, although this honestly is a little bit heavy to be clipping on a hat. I don't think I would. I think it would make your hat fall down. But it has a clip on it, so you can clip it in your pocket and stuff. It has the DNA gathering crenellated top, pow, like that. And again, that is really disorienting, and the reflection off of the camera in my face is making me see spots. It's super, super bright. It's rechargeable. Here's the cool thing I wanted to show you in the box. I'm going to set this down for a second. I just think this is really cool. Proprietary technology for Olight. Just open this up. Comes with a lanyard, of course, if you want to use that. But it comes with this little guy, which I love these things. This is magnetic. This is just a USB port. You could unroll it if you wanted to. And you plug this into any USB drive that you have in your car, you know, whatever, on your laptop, at your house, in the little box thing that you plug in. And then this magnet just goes right there. And it recharges your flashlight. I love rechargeable flashlights. You know we live off grid. So this is the M2R Pro. This is the camo version. It's a little bit more expensive than the M2R Pro, which comes in all black. This one I'm not opening right now because this is going to be a gift for somebody. But I showed you what it looks like when you get it. And so here's the deal. You can get up to 42% off of these, and I wrote it down because all the time when I do these videos on flashlights, people want to know what they cost. Normally, the black one, the black M2R, which is in the box over there, costs $110, and this one costs $120. You can get the black one for $76 and the Camouflage one for $83 tomorrow, the 31st of October. That's one deal that you can get. The better deal is this, and it's 42% off. You get an M2R Pro flashlight, which, like I said, are super bright, rechargeable. You get a proprietarily designed mounting bracket. You can mount this in the flashlight right here, and then this goes onto a Picatinny rail. So you can mount it on your weapons in a variety of different ways. Yes, it makes an awesome weapon light. And you're thinking, but I don't want to reach up there and have to hit the tail cap when I'm using my rifle or whatever. That's okay, because it also comes with, dun dun dun, boom, look at that, the remote tail cap. See that? Yeah, pow, get down, get down. Oh, God, that's bright. Comes with this too. And, man, now that I blinded myself, let me make sure I got this right. You got the M2R Pro, the weapons mount, the remote pressure pad that you can mount either on your vertical grip or mount it along the side of your weapon. And that's the 42% off deal for the whole package. You can pick up the black one for $89 and the camo one for $94 and all that stuff. That's a great deal. I've never seen a deal that good. But wait, there's more. I told you that you could get this for free. How do you do that? How do you get, ooh, I turned it the wrong way. How do you get this little guy, little finger full of light, for free? If you spend over $99, they'll send you one of these for free. It's about a $15 flashlight. So you're getting up to 42% off, and then you're getting $15 off. I mean, the savings just keep adding up. And then if you order $199, because, hey, you might want to buy a couple of these bundles for different people in your family to get them all squared away. Then you get the flashlight about this big called a S2R, and that's a $65 flashlight if you order the $199, more than $199. And so, hey, this deal for this flashlight, I've never seen a deal this good. I personally, if they didn't send it to me, I'd buy the bundle. I think it's a great deal. You get the M2R, you get the pressure pad, boom, right there, and you get the mounting bracket, which I set down here somewhere, which you can mount onto your weapon, right? Onto a Picatinny rail. I think that's a great deal for less than $100. So, one day only, and only while supplies last. Now here's the deal. Whenever I do ads like this for people, I tell them, you're going to sell out. You're gonna sell out because people jump on it. If you want this deal, if your heart is set on getting this for a gift for yourself or for somebody else, or you want to get 5 of them or whatever, I suggest you jump on it soon after midnight Eastern Daylight Time on 31 October. Yeah, and I've told you before, you can't have too many flashlights. You can keep them everywhere. They're convenient. I have a flashlight in every coat pocket. I have a flashlight next to the bed. My wife has one next to the bed. We have one near the front door. Of course we do. I'm just addicted to these things. They're good. I was having a talk with some people last night, and they said, hey man, what's the deal on those Olight flashlights? And so I told them, I said, look, if they weren't good, I wouldn't advertise them. I wouldn't put my name on it or associated with it. I don't have my name on it. Matter of fact, they did call me, and they said, hey, what do you think about a camo flashlight? Do you think that's a good idea? I said, yeah, I think it'll be a cool idea, but honestly, what I think is you should do like a coyote brown or desert tan. That seems to be the cool guy color these days. If you've watched any of my other videos, either here on YouTube or on Patreon, you know that I'm a painting guy. I paint my weapons and things like that. When I mount this, and I already have a toy that this is going to get mounted on, it'll get spray painted. It's just what I do. All right. Hey, if you want to take advantage of this deal, you got to jump on it by tomorrow midnight, 31st of October. And if you miss the deal, at any time, if you put Viking in your coupon code, you get 10% off. It's not used in conjunction with the deal. That would be too much. But if you miss the deal, you put Viking as your coupon code. I think you capitalize Viking. That'll square you away. I'll put the details down below, links and all that stuff for you guys to check this out. But man, these are cool to have. A lot of light in a little package. I think you should get you 1, 2, 3, or 4. All right. You know, I'll see you out there.